Now, just you explain why we are not taking this one as the front side and why we are selecting that one as a back side.
Okay, so this is a Pilkhan. I guess it's one of the ficus variety, and this must be a very old plant because I could see that the stem is quite trunk is quite thick. So we are there are so many branches coming from the bottom of the plant. Uh, Over here at this space, you can see that there are so many branches which are cluttered together. However, we cannot select this as a front because the trunk itself is not quite visible because of lot of branches coming from the same point. So that's why we are thinking that the other side of it, like this one, where the trunk is quite open, there are not much branches there together, and you can see it quite visibly clearly. So this one we are choosing as a that's why we are choosing this as a front. Um and Just to ensure that the trunk will be more visible, we are thinking to, or we are planning to cut this branch along with this one. So it will clear the the obstacle. I mean, these two branches are coming as an obstacle to the main part of the, or the bottom of the trunk. So we are trying to remove them, or we are planning to remove them. And once those are removed, you will see that the trunk will be much more clearer. Uh, Going to remove remove these two trunks now, and then let's see how it looks. How about keeping this as a front?
This one. Yeah. You tell me why we are not keeping this one as a front.
So over here you can see that some
Yeah.
branches are coming
Yeah.
this side. Over here there is some other branch that is coming that
Yeah.
side as well.
Yeah.
And we can keep this branch by cutting up to this. So you will get some shape already.
Yeah.
And this is quite visible.
Yeah.
If we cut down this one,
Yeah.
it will be more open.
Yeah. Actually, no. Here I don't want to lose this branch.
Okay.
I want to cut this one. I want to expose the thickness of this trunk line. So I would like to keep this branch. We'll cut down little bit this one.
Okay.
We'll reduce this one. So there will be this, this is coming to this side. Actually, you want to put this one like this.
Yeah,
Right?
outside.
So outside. So if you are cutting this one, we'll expect some more branches over here. So we can make it
Make it outside.
give a shape like this. So here now we can take this one as the front portion, or now we'll see the difference. Okay. Now if you are taking this one as a front side, we are cutting down this one. Okay. Now this is the thickness of this portion may be very less when compared to
This one.
this side.
Yeah.
So as you say, it is a better to keep as a front side. So only will reduce the height of this one. Will completely remove this one.
Okay.
Okay.
And even
And,
this we don't have to cut because this is anyways going back.
Now, yeah, and this one we are not cutting down. Okay. Now we can do that. Now we'll start doing.
Shall I cut this one?
I will cut that. You want one more hexa?
No, this is fine.
चलेगा? Up to this portion. Remove this. one and cut it.
It's almost done actually.
Cut. Now we are reducing this one, okay?
This we can cut because this is a.
Yeah. One more thing, this root is coming in front of this trunk line, so we can remove completely. Now it will be visible complete our trunk line. ये भी निकाल सकते हैं. Good. Now actually by seeing this one,
How it cutting this?
we cut down. Cut down like this, straight. ऐसा घुमा के निकालने का, तो you have to like this. इसको पीछे कर निकाल. Like it together. अभी तो कुछ ब्रांचेस नहीं ना, वेट फॉर सम मोर टाइम, देन लेट सम मोर ब्रांचेस ग्रो ओवर हियर, देन यू कैन reduce them. First wiring.
So we are not putting in a bonsai pot.
Shall we put it? Do you
Yeah,
want?
I am thinking.
Okay.
फिर से नहीं तो रिपोर्टिंग के लिए आना पड़ेगा.
ये रूट्स भी कट. अभी you have to tie this one. कर सकते हो उधर से.